Alright guys, I swear this lock is mocking me. First time I played around with it, I was at work, opened up in like 5 minutes, I was like, oh, that's a great lock. I'll go home and do a video opening it. 3 10-minute videos and nothing. I'm like, alright, fine, I'll let it rest. I'll try again in the morning. So this morning I was like, I'm not going to worry about filming it, I'll just practice. Open it in 5 minutes, so it's pretty camera shy. We'll see if I can open it up for you though. Here's the key. It's made on a Tessa core. It's Daz Evers number 27. He makes some beautiful locks. Super smooth. It's a pretty wide open keyway, so I'm going to use bottom of the tension, or what I'm trying to say. Bottom of the keyway tension, there we go, and a Peterson hook number 1. And I've opened it, the first time was clockwise, second time was counterclockwise, so just try counterclockwise. Okay, little click there. Small movement on the core. I know that number 2 you have to lift it pretty high. I think I said it, but we'll see. And with this lock, I think, at least, that Tessas have great tolerances and you can overset them really easily. I found that's true with this challenge lock as well. A lot of the time I'm going to have to let off one click and try once more to see what I can feel. There we go. That felt solid. Let's see, where are you? Not getting any feedback, so either I overset something, or I'm just not lifting high enough. I'm going to try letting off one click. Okay, pin 2. Alright. Up in 1. Come on. Alright. Reset it. Try again. Here we go. Yeah, Daz Evers makes some beautiful locks, and from what I've seen in other channels, from the ones I've had at Face, he makes them from beautiful locks. He'll take a lock that's already, really well made, well manufactured, great tolerances. Oh, there we go. We're all set. Then he'll improve on it to make it even more secure, even more of a challenge. And I think that's awesome. I've only made a handful of challenge locks so far, but I want to try to mix that between the locks that I have readily available to me, the Schlags and the Quicksets and things like that, as well as some more exotic locks that I order off of eBay. Oh, no way. Whew. It opened. Wow. That's the quickest opening I've had of that. I will take that though, so I can... I'm really curious what's inside. Because, man, this lock, more often than not, put up a fight. It's one of these circlips. I never liked these ones. I'm going to lock it up. If anyone knows where to buy circlips, let me know. Because ones like these where you have to bend them, I never have a lot of luck putting them on again, so, or even removing them, it would seem. I'm using these cheap pliers from the whatever, the Huck disassembly set. Kind of wedge that underneath maybe. Yikes. There we go. Try not to mangle it too badly so I can hopefully reuse it. Yeah, if anyone has any, knows of any places where you can buy more circlips, let me know. I mean, it could be as simple as, you know, local hardware store, something like that. I'm just not sure. I've never actually looked. I'm going to use a shim because knowing Daz, there's some true nastiness as well as beauty in here. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay. Let's see what we have. Alrighty, we can see that number 5 is a T-pin. Looks like there's some modifications on 3. We'll see what it is in a second. Okay. You had to pick all of them, but number 2, you only had to lift a little bit. Number 1, serrated. Number 2, kind of a serrated torpedo shape. Number 3, serrated. Number 4 just has one somewhat large serration. Number 5 is a T-pin like we saw earlier. Nothing on 1 and 2. We have undercutting on 3 and 5, and threading on 4. Alright, let's see what we have up here. Move it a little bit so I can do this for the camera. Number 1. Nice serration, some of those are really fine, and a brass spring. Oh, number 2 is not breaking the shear line because there's a shim in the way. Alright, number 2 is a serrated T-pin, if you see that. That's beautiful work. That one's a beauty. And the spring, a little steel spring. Number 3. is an, yeah, that's a commercial assa with a copper spring. Number 5 is another commercial assa, but this is one of the gin bottle pins, which I'm assuming number 5. So 5 and 3 had the counter milling, and they're the ones with the commercial assas. I guess I should grab that spring. Ooh. Then number 4 is a pin in pin. Oh, it's not even in frame. Sorry, guys. Alright, we have a little copper spring in 5 and a large steel spring in 4. I don't think there are any modifications to the core. It'd be hard to modify that anyway. Alright, let's zoom in so I can show you these beautiful works of art. So, all of the springs were different. 1 brass, 2 copper, and 1 steel. Number 1. Oh, I was trying to run away. Come on. Number 1 has some nice serrations. Number 2, whoa. Focus for me. Serrations and a T element. Number 3 was that commercial assa. Number 4 is beautiful pin in pin. Here's what it looks like on the outer, so it has a serrated element. 5 is that gin bottle. The key pins are all fairly similar. You have some beautiful serrations. You have serrations and kind of a torpedo. Some more serrations. 1 large serration is what I would call that. Then a T pin in number 5. Alright guys, I'm really glad I was able to open this on camera, because like I said, this lock has been mocking me. So, glad I had it running. Alright guys, hope you like what you saw. Please subscribe if you did. I'll leave a link to Daz's channel in the description, as well as my email. If you ever want to trade locks with me, just let me know. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching.